to detect QR codes, which you already saw that demo, we already saw that demo. And then here we go into the attack surface of this robot, right? Obviously, we have remote access via Wi-Fi, which is negligible, right? We show this on attacking drones that are Wi-Fi. We can break into it, we can crack the password, take them over. Adversarial machine learning, which is basically mistrain or present malicious input into it, which is what you just saw. What you just saw is basically the attack I'm going to show you today. I made it a little more dramatic with the drone, but it's pretty much it. I looked at the functions in the back end and realized that some of those functions, when presented and not well defined, will make the robot continue doing an erratic movement that will drain the resources. Obviously, it's a physical robot. I wanted to test it in a place where there was soap, but then I was afraid it was going to short circuit, so I said, nah, that's $900. I guess $900. I want to present it at Miami. Obviously, there are OpenCV vulnerabilities. If you actually go to CVE details, you will see that there's a bunch of CVEs. For OpenCV, there are QRCode attacks. In fact, one of the current vectors is exfiltrating via QRCode, if I'm not mistaken. Well, there is also a tool that generates a bunch of QR codes. I try to do that because I say, what if I overwhelm it with a number of QR codes? The processing power is not there. So basically it skips it and then just read, right. And then of course we have Ubuntu, and Ubuntu, like anything, is vulnerable. All right, so that's the demo time, and that's me from the robot. Let me go into YouTube and show it to you. This video is already posted, but it will not be available until today is 6, but I'm going to show it to you. Let me... F11 you said, right?
You're on the wrong Wi-Fi.
Yeah, but I need to get out of... Alright, here we go. Let me just reconnect. PC public, right?
I need to get a better laptop.
So do I, and this will probably be the last time I use this one. We on YouTube. I had to log in because the video is private. I need to disconnect it from my credentials. Channel. There are things in this demo that I did not show here for time purposes. Okay, so here we go. You got it? Alright, let me see if I can show it to you from the go here, go here. I'm just gonna cancel this, and then I'm gonna show you guys the demo. Dashboard? No, I'm in the wrong channel. That's why. Why did it take me to the wrong place? Hold on. Hack Miami, right? Mm-hmm. Then right there it is.
Switch your account. Click on.
No, oh yeah. Switch account. Hack Miami. Right, so now I'll go to videos, right? Okay, here we go. Here we go. So that's that dude right there.
You don't have audio?
Yeah, I do.
What time? Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna.
I don't think it's gonna sound that much, but
Oh, it's not gonna. No, because it's piping it through the HDMI and it's going to.
so that's the table that I told you to use. And now I'm gonna use it. Check this out. So that's the Bionics. You saw some of that, right? You can also do that with a remote. By the way, I'll let you guys play with it at the end. Look how he is, you know, like you can do those things with the remote. Are you filming this or? Oh, you're showing the, yeah, okay.
It's only showing in.
Okay.
You're gonna have this recorded.
So it does have tons of movement, tons of that.
Did you have to program that movie yourself?
No, it was there. It was there. You can, it's possible to program it. Look, this is the self-stabilization. Look at that. Look. Oh, yeah. This is a Raspberry Pi, guys. It's a Raspberry Pi. Yeah.
Does it have like some sort of a gyroscope in it?
A what? No, it uses an algorithm, which I can show you in the manuals, that does a calculation where it needs to be in order to stabilize. So you guys already saw this and saw it even better. So this is, I did this, it took me a bit I was having trouble because the camera sometimes, if you don't shut down the actual controller, it doesn't work. So what you're seeing here again, because this is going on YouTube, obviously I wanted to show everybody that, as you can see, I was able to move it. The only thing I didn't do was to follow the line, which is the color. You can put a color, and we would have seen it here where you see the line and you see how he's following it. You can do that. So as you can see, that's a couch, right? And it has trouble sometimes, right? It has a little trouble sometimes, like right there. Look. Yeah. See, so it's I mean, for what it is, I mean, my idea was to buy the $6,000 and kick it here and see the thing coming back, right? Which it does, but I don't have that money. I don't have that money. So,
You know, these things get more advanced. You should probably try the antivirus, the virus test QRCode.
we can try that. I mean, remember, I didn't, dude, I had like 1,000 things, and I did this was a weekend project. Like, I'm sure if I look more at the library, I'll find vulnerabilities in it. And you know what would be amazing? That I can put a QRCode and just show that. That would be amazing.
I would love to see it.
Oh, there was one that actually jumped, but that one didn't last too long. So, yeah, they calibrated, and I asked the people, help me reset it. They wouldn't, so I said, I'm returning it. There is many of this in Amazon. There are many of this in Amazon, but these are the best that I have seen so far. This one I haven't tested that long, but this one for sure. If you want to go for like one thing that I can tell you that doesn't go through the hassle of returning it,
What is it? What's the name of that one?
Yeah, this is the Doxila S1. Yeah. So the QRCode is about to end, and then you're going to see the face recognition. Then you're going to see the face tracking, which we didn't do here. And then at the end, I do the attack. I do 2 attacks. One of them is with this payload, and then the second one is with an actual drone. So there, see that? Sit down. You guys saw this now, right? So Obviously, whoever didn't come would not see, would not have seen this. So that's the face recognition. And that's me, obviously. And then saying hi. Oh, I don't know if you can see the face, right? You can see, you see my face? So, no. Oh. And then there's the face tracking. And then look. Follows me. Now here's another function I did not talk much about. There are functions that in the code that you can have used like that.
A kill switch.
It's a kill switch. It's an actual kill switch. Now here's the denial service, which you saw a preview of it. Notice how this one, obviously, we are in the investigation area, so I had to make it clear because I did not know what the extent of the recognition of the QRCode recognition is. As you can see clearly here. You see on the other side, you see how it reacts to the QRCode. It keeps presenting, and then you'll finally, in just a few seconds, you're going to see the drawing. And I had to thank my daughter because she was patient and piloted the drone. And you can actually see the DPI demo, which is the first one we tried, but this was too heavy. So the propellers were flying away. Check it out. So if you actually look at it, basically what we did is we piloted the drone, look at that, and we put this in front. You can see how crashes. See, that's the crash. And then basically what it does is runs out of battery at one point and it shuts down. And at one point when I was with this, it overheated and it smelled like it was burnt. Alright, so that's why the demo was also short, because I wanted to show you the demo. And with that, I'll thank you very much for coming here today. I hope you found this